What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best toaster ovens in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. We'll kick off today's list with the Panasonic FlashXpress Compact Toaster Oven, also known as the best small toaster oven available on the market in 2022. As you can see, we're not exactly looking at a large toaster oven. This model can be discreetly placed in the corner of the kitchen, leaving enough space for preparing meals and other kitchen activities. But the device still offers quite a bit of capacity. It may not be the biggest option, but there's still enough room inside for a 9-inch pizza, for example. This little toaster oven also has an unexpected bonus. It heats up very quickly. This device is so quick that there's no need to preheat, meaning you don't have to plan ahead. However, don't worry. It may be fast, but that doesn't mean it's overheating. Temperature levels are actually lower than many other compact ovens, with a respectable 1,300 watts of power. Also, the heat is well distributed. This is thanks to the quartz and ceramic elements strategically placed on the back and front of the oven. They ensure that the temperature is evenly distributed, so you won't end up with a half-cooked meal. Heat is controlled using clearly marked buttons on the front. But if you prefer to leave such things to the machine, there are also many default options. However, it doesn't offer much customization when it comes to timing. It can only be set to 25-minute intervals. If you want to cook something for a longer time, you'll have to start the cycle again and again. This is a bit unfortunate because otherwise this is a great little machine. For those with limited space, this is still top-notch. As for the other advantages, users like the reduction of space, easy-to-read keys, as well as excellent heat distribution. And now, since it proudly holds the title of the best little toaster ram, let's mention its dimensions. The product weighs 7.5 pounds, while its size is 13 by 10.25 by 12 inches. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. The next product we'll talk about in our review list for today is the Ninja Foodi Digital Air Fryer Oven, which grabs the title of the best mini-use toaster oven available on the market in 2022. Versatile, compact, and practical, the Ninja Foodi SP101 8-in-1 will become your new favorite kitchen appliance. Ninja Foodi has become one of the most prominent brands for the quality and design of its products, especially in the air fryer department. And that's where this stove manages to stand out. 8 functions in one compact oven, with a design that allows you to store it vertically, saving 50% of space, and where you can prepare a large number of dishes. An attractive design, a stainless steel body, and a really easy-to-use control panel make the Ninja Foodi SSP101 8-in-1 oven a great addition to any kitchen. Well, many devices promise to be multifunctional, but when it comes to using them, they fall short of the promise. But here we have a real multifunctional device, which exceeds initial expectations, and which will surely become your best ally in preparing delicious and healthy dishes. So, we have the air fryer, which is the most attractive function that this Ninja Foodi offers us. You can use it to prepare delicious dishes with up to 75% less fat. In addition, a basket for preparing food using this cooking method is also included in the package. Furthermore, there is a roast, so you'll be able to grill food in a practical and simple way. Your cookies, biscuits, and most importantly, pizzas will be in place. The oven includes a 13 by 13-inch baking tray with enough capacity for meals for the whole family. This product also features a useful grill function. Vegetables, fish, or meat cooked to perfection with the grill function for up to 60% less time than in a traditional oven. With the included baking tray, you can toast up to 9 slices of bread at the same time. Both the baking tray and the fryer rack are dishwasher safe. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. The next product that we'll analyze in our review list for today is the Cuisinart Chef's Convection Toaster Oven, which quite deservedly took the title of the best versatile toaster oven available on the market in 2022. The Cuisinart does not have the elegant curves of the Breville and is actually slightly larger than the Breville, so this is not a toaster oven for a small kitchen with limited counter space. It has the same power and 1,800 capacity, holding a 13-inch pizza, a standard muffin tin, or 6 pieces of toast. Cuisinart brings the number of functions to 15, including the convection speed function and the innovative double cooking function. The double cooking function allows you to program 2 cooking methods. For example, slow cooking followed by roasting for 2 different times. The device preheats the oven to set temperature in seconds, so you don't have to wait for the oven to heat up before putting food in. Just like the Breville, The oven is programmed with an LED panel that has menu selections for cooking modes, including one for reheating leftovers. The toast, bagel, and waffle functions give you the option of choosing the color and number of slices. There are also 3 different shades of baking, from lightest to darkest, and according to user reviews, they are all evenly colored, with no burnt or brown edges. The Cuisinart doesn't have the handy built-in auto-eject shelf like the Breville, but it does have 2 door hooks that hook onto the top shelf and pop out when the door is opened. It comes with 2 racks, an enameled baking rack, and a baking tray and a pizza stone, which produced an excellent pizza with a crispy crust. In conclusion, what reviewers and users singled out as something they particularly like is Cuisinart's speed convection feature that heats the oven to the desired temperature in seconds, eliminating preheating, and its innovative double cook feature allows you to program 2 different cooking methods and cooking times at the same time. Thumbs up, that's for sure. If you're willing to spend a few dollars more in order to enjoy all the advantages of a high-end product, don't miss this one. Introducing the June Oven. In our opinion, the best premium toaster oven on the market in 2022. We're looking at a capable cooking machine that uses built-in cameras to identify what it's trying to do and offers cooking instructions and great information. Also, there are a number of settings to customize in the companion app. Most toaster ovens have nichrome, quartz, or ceramic heating elements. The June Oven, however, has 6 carbon fiber heating elements that are incredibly reactive to energy and can reach full operating temperature in 3 to 5 seconds, compared to 60 seconds for nickel chromium. According to the manufacturer, this means that the oven does not need to be preheated. The heating elements vary in temperature during the cooking process according to the specific cooking program, sometimes alternating between roasting, resting, and roasting. In this way, they give you the best possible performance and results. The June comes with a baking tray, roasting rack, wire rack, probe thermometer, and crumb tray. When it comes to ease of use, in addition to the top-tier performance, this fantastic toaster oven remains intuitive to use with clearly labeled controls and an easy-to-read display. The simplest features should consist of adjustable temperature controls, preferably between 150 and 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and flexible toast shade settings. All this is included in the Mix Smart June Oven. There are also 2 convection fans that do their job very well. It also comes with over 200 smart recipes and cooking programs. Thanks to the built-in HD camera, this beast is able to recognize over 100 foods. Truly amazing. The June Oven comes in the size of 19 by 19.6 by 12.75 inches, while its weight is 39 pounds. This premium oven also works with Alexa Assistant, so you can control it wherever you are. All in all, if you have enough money for this beast, we say go for it. Finally, after all the reviews, opinions, and experiences, we have come to the long-awaited gold medal and the title of the best overall toaster oven in 2022, which deservedly went to the Breville Compact Smart Oven. So let's get straight to the features of this great product. We love the IQ Intelligent element. There is heat and there's intelligent heat. Element IQ intelligently transfers heat through 4 quartz elements for precise, steady heat where and when you want it for perfect results every time. The Breville Compact Smart Oven comes with 8 cooking functions to guide you to perfection. Pastry, toast, baking, roasting, cookies, pizza, reheating, and more. Everything you ask for is delicious. 4-slice toaster, 12-inch pizza, 6-cup muffin pan, rotisserie chicken, and just about anything else you can think of. Of course, we must not forget the backlit LCD screen that's easy for everyone to read it. It calculates the exact temperature and time, lights up in orange during pre-cooking and heating, and in blue, it'll inform you when the cycle is finished. For easier cleaning and maintenance, the Breville Compact Smart Oven has a non-stick interior. This is achieved thanks to the design of the inner walls of the oven, which have a strong non-stick coating, and this really makes it function. In terms of capacity, this machine can fit a 12-inch pizza or a 4-slice toaster oven. The Compact Smart Oven with IQ features includes most of the functions that larger smart ovens have, but all of it's simplified in a compact design that saves you space. From toast for breakfast, an open top for lunch, to a roast for dinner, you can use it throughout the day. The Breville Compact Smart Oven comes in the size of 16.7 by 10.2 by 15.6 inches and weighs 14.55 pounds. Also, the user points out the very fair price, which delivers an excellent value for the invested money. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the best bread machines of 2022. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest videos.